morning to everyone. I'm Professor Nidhi from SIRTE. Today we're going to study third topic, that is application of hydraulics, where what is the use of hydraulics in engineering. We're going to study the basic applications through some slides. There are a number of applications like breathing, flow of blood, swimming of a person, use of pumps, fans, turbines, aircrafts, aeroplanes, jets, ships, rivers, windmills, pipes, missiles, icebergs, engines, filters, jets and sprinklers. So what is there? We are going to study first breathing, that is related to gas, blood flow related to fluid, swimming also related to fluid, study of fluid, pumps with the pressure, study of pressure, fans, again the study of gases, turbines, study of hydraulics, airplanes, both the study of fuels and gases, ships, movement of ships within the fluids, that is the water, flow of rivers, movement of crisscrossing gases through windmills, flow of fluid through pipes for the rockets or missiles which are being used, the icebergs, the engines, the filters. So there are different applications where we can use hydraulics. It is almost everything on this planet which is related to fluid or gases, right? So like high speed train, so the behavior of particular train with respect to gases, with respect to the operation of starting and closing, also the wind turbines with respect to gases flowing and production of electricity through it. Moving towards the area like propeller, centrifugal pump, the fan, the engine propulsion, the cross flow fan, the working of these processes is related to hydraulics. We are going to study this particular unit as hydraulic machines. We are going to study the working and principle of these hydraulic machines. Then the sports like cycling, the racing, the swimming, the football, everything is quite related to the particular hydraulics. The working process, the movement process in liquids, what will happen, what are the turbulence will be caused, every study is being related to hydraulics. Thank you. These are the particular applications which are used in hydraulics. Further we will study in next class. Thank you.